Welcome to Foolish Portals. It's Christmas time at Disneyland, and we're here to explore all the festivities. Disneyland's been celebrating Christmas since it opened in 1955, so there's always a lot to see this time of year. So won't you join me on this merriest of Foolish Portals? Let's go. Any trip to Disneyland is enhanced when it started with a plate of Mickey waffles from Carnation Cafe. And the best part about Disneyland is you can get a plant-based plate of Mickey waffles. So that's what I'm going to do. And the holiday music, all the decor, Christmas is here and it is the most wonderful time of year at Disneyland. Except maybe second to Halloween. At least that's how we feel at Foolish Portals. If you're going to eat breakfast on Main Street, there's no better place than Carnation Cafe in our opinion. And if you're going to eat at Carnation, sit outside. In fact, right now, the Dapper Dans are riding by, singing Christmas carols. It's awesome. Here's the Mickey-shaped waffles with a side of potatoes, syrup, ketchup, and I requested some hot sauce on the side so that I can put it on my potatoes. So if you're thinking about getting the Mickey waffles and you want to get them plant-based, just make sure you tell the cast member serving you because they do have to let the kitchen know. The regular Mickey waffles won't be plant-based, but all you got to do is ask. They're happy to help you out, and I do recommend the plant-based Mickey waffles. They're really good. It's time to top these waffles with syrup, and they just topped off my coffee, so I'm ready to eat. It's going to be an awesome breakfast, and I'll see you on the other side. Well, I am stuffed. I finished everything on my plate, including the little fruit garnish they gave me, and feeling pretty full, very stuffed, but I'm gonna need all that energy to get through the day, so I'm pretty happy. Well, we usually say to visit on a weekday because we have far smaller crowds on weekdays here at Disneyland, but today it's a bit busier than the typical weekday in my experience. It's not too bad. As you can see, Main Street isn't super crowded, but there definitely are a lot more people in the park than a typical weekday. Oh, well, breakfast was awesome, but now I gotta walk off those waffles, so thankfully there's a great big Christmas wonderland to explore, so let's get exploring. Scaffolding is still up around the Adventureland treehouse, but really looking forward to that coming down so we can go and run around and explore the new treehouse. Did you know that you can meet a Christmas character? Santa Claus. They've got Santa Claus set up here in Critter Country. They've got him in this cabin. There's a photo pass photographer taking pictures. Parents are bringing their kids to meet Santa Claus. It's pretty awesome. It's just a nice touch for this time of year, especially if your kids are excited to meet Santa Claus. If you were hoping to celebrate the holidays in a galaxy far, far away, you're in luck. You can celebrate the holidays in Galaxy's Edge, only here it's not called Christmas, it's called Life Day. It's actually a holiday that originates on Kashyyyk, which is the Wookiee planet. That's what Chewbacca and his friends celebrate. For Life Day, the Wookiees walk around in red robes, they carry these orbs around. It's pretty awesome, and you can do that if you come to Galaxy's Edge. You can buy a robe, you can buy orbs, you can buy orb-shaped things like mugs, you can even buy t-shirts and sweatshirts. There's a lot you can do here to celebrate the holidays, only you'll be celebrating a holiday that just exists on another planet. It's pretty cool. So as you can see, I decided to get a Life Day hat. It's a cool red hat with a few Wookiees on it celebrating their holiday. Thought I'd join them, join the people of Kashyyyk. Now I'm happy because I'm in red and green, Christmas colors, and I get to celebrate mine here at Disneyland once I leave, Batu, that is. But it's cool. If you come to Disneyland, it's pretty easy to just jump off planet real quick and celebrate two holidays in one day. So here we go, celebrating Life Day. Woo! We're cooking. Yes. drop the camera. Woo! Yeah, that's fun. Woo! Woo! Well, it got me. It got me. Definitely got wet on that one. That was a fun ride. Gotta love the Matterhorn. Had a little bit of time before the parade, so I thought, why not? And I think it was a good choice. If you're here to experience Christmas time at the Disneyland Resort and you're worried you're gonna miss something, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is go and download the Disneyland app, click on the Holidays at Disneyland Resort guide, and it'll show you everything that's related to Christmas and the holidays, what time it happens and where it happens. For example, the Christmas Fantasy Parade is happening at 3:30 and it's about 2:30 now, so I should probably go find myself a seat so I can film it for you.
Happy holidays, everyone! It's time to share the magic of the merriest season of all as Disneyland proudly presents A Christmas Fantasy.
glad I got to see the Christmas Fantasy Parade. And now I am freezing because it was really cold in the shade. But that's always a great spot to watch the parade, right by the Matterhorn, right in front of the bathrooms there. Good spot because basically all the characters have to look at you because on the other side of the floats is just a fence, the Matterhorn fence. So there's nobody to look at on that side, so they try to give all their attention to the guests that are sitting on the sideline right in front of the bathrooms there. So hope you had fun. I'm having such a good time exploring the holidays here at Disneyland today, and I'm excited for what's next. Because next up, I'm going to go to the Main Street USA holiday tree lighting ceremony. So, got to go find a spot for that. Don't want to miss it. It's at 5 p.m. and it's about 4:30 right now. So, let's go. Let's go catch that.
Good evening, everyone. In keeping with our time-honored tradition, we invite you to turn your attention to Town Square for the lighting of our beautiful Christmas tree. Here in the magical place where dreams come true, we hope you'll share the spirit of the season by helping us light our Yuletide tree. So on the count of 3, everyone please join together in saying Happy Holidays. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy Holidays! Woo! Wow. That is gorgeous.
And a very pleasant evening to one and all from the merriest place on earth.
How beautiful. Well, when Disneyland says 5 o'clock, they mean 5 o'clock. The lights came on right on time. And right before they lit up the tree, the Dapper Dans came out by the fire station, and the Christmas spirit is definitely alive here, guys. Well, there is another lighting ceremony that takes place at Disneyland, other than the Christmas tree lighting, and that's when they light up It's a Small World. The only problem is the Christmas tree lighting's at 5. It's a Small World lights up at 5:15. So to get from Main Street all the way to It's a Small World to catch it, that might be a lot to ask right now, because it ended up being a busier day than planned, but let's give it our best shot.
Good evening, everyone, and season's greetings. Please direct your attention to It's a Small World as we celebrate the joy of the holidays and light up the night with thousands of twinkling lights. As we count to 3, we invite you to join us in wishing for peace on earth. 1, 2, 3.
So I had to interrupt the holiday exploring to get something to eat, and I went off planet, went to Batu, and I got myself a Rontolis wrap, because there's nothing better than that in our galaxy, not at Disneyland, not at any other theme park. The Rontolis wrap is the best thing I've had anywhere. So as far as plant-based is concerned, it's just delicious. So I got the Rontolis wrap, and I also got myself a black calf, also known as coffee on Earth. But this black calf, this Rontolis wrap, they're going to warm me up and give me all the energy I need to get through the rest of the evening. So grateful, feeling merry, feeling good. Can't wait to show you the fireworks show. See you in a minute. As far as Christmas merchandise is concerned for 2022, I feel like Zoe and I have seen just about everything. I could be wrong though. We made a whole video at Downtown Disney where we went into the world of Disney, and we went into the home store, saw tons of merch. But I figured if there was a shop in Disneyland that would have maybe a few items we haven't seen, it would be the Plaza Point Holiday Shop. It's right next to Plaza Inn, right off Main Street. I'm standing outside the window right now of the store. And I'm gonna go in, see if I can see anything I haven't, anything new. So, wanna come with me? Let's go. Plaza Point Holiday Shop is magical. They just have cool displays. It feels kind of old-timey in here. It's warm. This is old school Christmas lighting. This is awesome. And I think all the wood finishings in the store too totally help to pump up that vibe, that old school Christmas vibe. We've got the old dolls and stuff. So here in the Plaza Point Holiday Shop, they've got a Mickey Nutcracker. I haven't seen that one yet. Looks pretty cool. He's got a pair of skis. He's wearing his winter jacket. Looks nice and warm. Wish I was nice and warm. I'm freezing. It's cold tonight. At least Mickey's warm. Looking good. Oh, and right below Mickey, we've got the mini Nutcracker. She's got a red holiday jacket on, and she's carrying ice skates. So I think she's getting ready to go ice skating, and Mickey's getting ready to go skiing. They're doing two separate events. They won't be doing their holiday outings together. It's cool. I like the independence. Awesome. Unless Mickey's planning to ski across the ice. That would be impressive. I don't believe we saw this apron when we were at World of Disney or the home store. This one's pretty cool. I like the holiday goodies on it. Zoe and I aren't really greeting card people, but we do like greeting cards. We like receiving them, and we even bought some in Scotland that we haven't filled out or sent out to anyone yet, and that was years ago. And I guess they could still work. They don't have a date on them. Or we can buy one of these sets of Disney holiday greeting cards. This one says, "Oh dear." If you come into the Plaza Point Holiday Shop, make sure to look up. There's a lot above the shelves that's really cool. Like figurines and nutcrackers, ornaments, things that they don't sell in the shop. It's just an awesome display.
So it's $5 a word, and we personalize both ears and ornaments.
Oh wow.
Anything with a smooth, flat surface, as long as we're not riding on top of a character.
Cool.
So you'll just choose your ornament, you'll bring it up to us, and then we'll just help design with you.
Oh wow, that's awesome. How long does it usually take to get your ornament?
So it really depends. I always recommend coming in and putting in your order when you get to the park, and then picking it up on your way out.
Okay.
Regardless of how long it takes, we'll hold your ornament until the end of the day.
If I put in an order now, do you think it'll be ready today, or would I come back another day?
It's always same day pickup. Yep.
Oh wow, awesome. And then are these available, these options here?
Those are the tree toppers, yes. And these options are already personalized and ready to purchase now.
Oh, okay. So then you don't add any more personalization to them?
No, we can.
You can? Oh, you can. Okay, cool. Well, I'm super glad I went in the Plaza Point Holiday Shop. I got to see all the awesome displays, all the little things they had above the shelves. I feel like there's so many things in there that you wouldn't be able to see, decorations, unless you go into the Plaza Point Holiday Shop. And there was a lot of merch I haven't seen before. I can't wait to bring Zoe and show her. Speaking of Zoe, I did buy a little something in there at the custom ornament and tree topper booth. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's a secret until Christmas. But it's one of the two of those. It's either an ornament or a tree topper. So stay tuned. We'll reveal what I got her eventually. But yeah, super glad I went in there.
Anybody thinking of making a gingerbread house? Well, take it from Chef Doopy. You gotta start with gummy ingredients. Yep, and a good recipe. And the baker's eye for arranging your treats just so.
Well, that was pretty cool. As I was coming out of the holiday shop, the parade was going by. At 3:30 when I saw it, it goes from It's a Small World to Main Street, and then at 6:30 it goes from Main Street to It's a Small World. So it looked really cool at night. And I'm standing in front of the castle now because they're about to do a castle light up where the castle comes alive and they blast snow out of the snow towers. I'm not standing anywhere near one of those snow towers, but maybe during the fireworks show. I think they do it then as well, so we'll see. But let's catch that castle light up, and then we'll catch the fireworks show. Seeing Sleeping Beauty's castle coming to life. That was beautiful. It was really cool. Now I'm waiting for the fireworks show. I think today's busy enough that I'm going to try to line up early and get a good spot for the fireworks show. So see you in a few minutes.
Does your heart hold the magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again? Now is the time to open your heart, believe in that magic, and remember those treasured moments. They're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you once more. So come along as the magic of the season leads the way.
Last but definitely not least, that's for sure. So a couple honorable mentions, things I either didn't do or couldn't do. Haunted Mansion Holiday. We did that around Halloween time and loved it. Thought I'd skip the long line today to make sure I could do other things. And then the other one was the Jingle Cruise. They didn't bring the Jingle Cruise back this year. I don't know when they last did it, but I was kind of hoping it'd be around this year, and it wasn't. But they did have some decorations put up right above the Jungle Cruise on the platform, kind of like where the line sometimes winds through. So it still was a little bit festive, but there aren't any garland or Christmas trees or ornaments out with the animals, and the skippers don't have to do the the jokes that they once did, Christmas jokes, so still an awesome day. Well, that's a wrap on this Foolish Portal. It's been a long day, but a really fun day, so I'm sad it's over. If you had fun too, please hit like on the video. It helps others find us, and we really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We're glad you found us. There's always room for one more, so hit subscribe. In fact, there couldn't be a better time to subscribe. We got some incredible episodes coming up. We've got Merry Farm and Knott's Berry Farm. We've got Festival of Holidays at Disney's California Adventure, and much more. So thank you so much for watching, and hurry back. Bye.